Hey there, writers. So it's 2024. Yeah, 2024. And I have completed my move to my new house. This is the garage. And I do not have my garage set up, as you can see. I got the workbench already over there in pieces, so I can't really do anything. Everything is in pieces, and it's about 30 degrees out here. Despite what that's saying. Yes, I got a thermometer in here that says 42, but it's actually colder than that. Right now outside it's 23 degrees. And I had the garage door open for probably about an hour as I went ahead and did my driveway today. And we're in the middle of this crap started up on Friday at about 10 o'clock. And it's Saturday. So it's just been non-stop snowing. Well, actually it did stop a little bit for snow. Then it picked back up again for this afternoon. We have fully moved into the house. All our stuff, well, 99% of our stuff is here. We got some stuff over at the old house for staging. But normally I would start in working on the garage, but the temperature's a little bit too cold for me to be able to do anything. And yeah, I could put on my thermals and go to town, but I need the full garage in order to be able to get things going and then relocating. And I still got to assemble my workbench, and I got to assemble shelves and all that fun stuff. And fortunately, I don't have room to do any of that stuff. And it would be a process of probably about 2 weeks because having to go back and forth inside. And I don't have a good enough heater for inside this garage. It's going to be a project later on down the line in which I'll be able to have an in-garage heater, but in the meantime that's not happening, at least not for 2024. Spring I'll be able to get around to it, so I'm not going to have any video content inside here at all so far. So that being said, I will see you guys in spring 2024. Maybe a small little video of me down in Florida in February. But until then, don't expect anything coming out of my channel until maybe about when the temperature gets back up there, maybe in May. I'm gonna end this video. I'll see you guys in the spring. I'll keep you updated on Instagram. Yeah, till then, ride safe for those who can ride. I'll see you on the next ride.